What's up, y'all? So I'm starting a vlog a little late in the day. Oh, my face is super oily. But basically, I am about to redo my closet. So I don't have a large closet at all. It's very long, but it's not like, if I go here's the door, like as you see, there's not much room in between the door. And I'm like, I just need more space in this closet. So what I did, I took out all of my clothes. And I was like, you know what? This was so on a whim. I'm like, I'm doing it now. It's now or never. I'm just ready. So I went to Target. I'm going to show you how to do a DIY little closet boot up or something. Hopefully it comes out good. I have Roosevelt here to help me. But I bought like 2 of these shelves from Target. They're 3 foot. I would love to have just one long 6 foot one, but they didn't have that. So I got 2 3 foot ones. And then I got this rod that's going to go below it. And I was hoping they had white, but they didn't. They have like this brownish black color. But that's fine because I also got this shelf that I'm going to use as a shoe shelf. And it's in that color. So I feel like it will work with tying in those colors together. But it's already after 8 o'clock. So hopefully we're done by like 10. At least putting the stuff up. And then like, yeah, just getting everything in the closet. We'll see how that goes. But I'm really excited for this. Like I don't know. I'm just ready for a makeover. Like I said, it's not going to be nothing crazy, but just this cool little at-home DIY thing. Everything costs like $100 for like the shelf, the racks, the rod. So not too bad. I mean, definitely cheaper than California closets. It's not going to look nowhere near as California closets. But I just need something because I was tired of living crazy. Basically. So yeah, and I'm also going to get rid of a lot of clothes too. So this is some motivation. I'm excited. Okay, so I took the wrapping off of this. We measured and marked the walls where we're going to be nailing, possibly. So I have to cut this off, the little thingies. You know, handy woman over here. Right, babe? Sure. He's so rude. Okay, so that's done. So now I just need to see where, is that low? Like I feel like it needs to be higher. Like here, huh?
Do it again.
Like I feel like that's kind of low. Because I might have another shelf too. Like this is not, it's not even like eye level. It's like lower than that.
Yeah, you can put it higher.
Like here?
Yeah.
Oh, the mark is all the way over here though, huh? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, which is fine. So I'll probably do here. I feel like that'll be good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You can stop recording. Good?
How's it going, handy woman?
Great, but I just need some assistance.
Well, you wanted to show the people what you was doing.
Babe, I need help. It took us so long, but we finally put up one shelf, and I'm so happy. And now we know how to do it, so the other one's gonna be super easy. All right. Ready? Ready for round 2?
Sure.
We got this. Progress. We got both of these up. We got almost the rod up now. We just have to drill this last one in. And then we can start working on the shelf. And I think it's currently like 10. So I didn't make my time to do it in 2 hours. Well, Roosevelt, actually, we didn't even start when I wanted to start because he was still eating. So, but we're working over here. I'm hot. All right, y'all, I'm greasy. Wig came off, as you can see, braided up.
Woo! This is tough right here. But
He's so dramatic. So we're about to put together the shelf now. The rods are up. All the clothes are still definitely on my bed, but that'll get done. It's about 10, 12. So hopefully maybe we can finish this in 30 minutes. What you think? You think we can build this in 30 minutes?
we ain't gonna be done until 11.
You don't think we can build this in 30 minutes?
We'll build it, but we ain't gonna be done with your room.
Yeah, till probably another hour, but that's fine. Let's put it together. Progress. I'm screwing in the side right now. We're about halfway done. Because this part is easy. You just gotta, you know, place the board if you want.
What are you building?
Huh?
What are you building?
I just said I'm screwing on the side.
Side of what?
Oh, the shoe shelf that we're going to use as a bookshelf that we're going to use as a shoe shelf.
So is this a bookshelf or a shoe shelf?
It's a shoe shelf.
It's a bookshelf we're going to use as a shoe shelf. Because somebody got 50,000 pairs of shoes.
Roosevelt, you have way more shoes than I do. Stop capping.
All right, we'll be back.
Bookshelf is put together. It took over an hour, but we did it. This is done. Done. Now I have to hang up all my clothes and shoes. Ridiculous. And it's 11:30. Hopefully I could be in bed by 12:30. We shall see. It is currently 12:17, and this is my progress. So I'm not like super organizing it, but I'm kind of color coordinating it. I did make a mistake and put the rack too low, my first rack. So probably gonna go fix it, probably not till like Sunday, but for now it's just gonna have to do. And then the bottom rack has my pants and skirts, and the top one is my dresses and shirts. So, and like cardigans. So Sunday I'll probably go ahead and move it up, but right now I'm just trying to get everything off my bed and everything back in the closet. This is progress. It doesn't look like it when you look at this side, but look, when you look at this side, it's progress. So we working, almost done. You know, the first shelf with these clothes, I also put the bins on top that I was talking about, but it makes it hard to see the second because the clothes hang too low. So I need to move this bar up about 5 inches and it'll be better. All right, y'all. I can't remember if I showed y'all I put these bins up here now, but I just put my shoes all on the shelf. Like so. I'm gonna get a few more of these, like just regular off Amazon, just the, what are these called, like the boards, and put like a few more here because I have a few shoes stacked on top of each other, like my gym shoes mainly, but I feel like I can add like definitely at least 2 more rows, but probably maybe even 3, but at least 2. So yeah, all my 4 colorful shoes, and then I have 4 colorful gym shoes, but black and white, black and nude. But yes, I do want some more colorful shoes. I'm excited.